Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Hotel Collection Gel Plush Firm Fluffy Fiber Pillows. Alright, so right here we have our fluffy pillows. These are the luxury hotel pillows. They offered in 3 different sizes. You've got standard, queen, as well as king. So let's go ahead and open this up. So these are a 2-pack, which has more than 6,005 hotels worldwide. They are unique material, luxury pillows filled with 100% hypoallergenic ultra plush gel with elastic fiber that is the best material for filling the medium soft. So these are not super soft and they're not super hard, but they have the perfect balance between the softness and a plump firmness. Whether you prefer soft, fluffy, or firm pillows, these ones here will definitely satisfy. They are quality, so the materials used to make this pillow is strictly inspected for quality to ensure that each pair of pillows that is durable, fade, and stain resistant. So right here, it just tells you the warning. You've got a 180 night trial. It's hyperallergenic, bed bugs repellent. So once we open this up, it will fold out. So they are nice quality, great material. They're 100% certified to the OEKO tech standard, so even allergy sufferers can use them with confidence. These are great because they offer a 180-day of liability-free sleep experience. So you can test it yourself. If you're not happy within 180 days, you can go ahead and send it back. You can see how nice and plush they are. They're super soft, but a bit firm. So the dimensions are 26 length by 20 inch wide. So once you unfold them, they'll start to rise up. It's got some great material in here. It has a tag that tells you about the washing instructions. So as I set it on my bed overnight, it did fluff up a lot more overnight. So you have to just let it firm to itself. So right here is just the washing instructions. So these are used in most hotel pillows. They improve the quality of your sleep. It has 100% advanced down alternative fiber, which first class and down alternative fiber rejects plush allergies, perfect for allergy sufferers as like myself. Aerodynamic balance support design, which allows your head and neck to maintain the most relaxed angle throughout the night so you don't wake up with those pesky neck pains in the morning. It's comfortable and it is soft, gives your skin the best touch. Very soft cotton feel. You can see me plushing them out. It did take me about one night for it to completely plush up. They're breathable, skin friendly. It keeps your head and cool, fresh all night long. It is easy to care and clean by your wash machine. It does have the details on how to wash it. So now that I have them on my bed, I have put them in my pillowcase. You can see it is fluffed up a lot more. And over the night, it even fluffed up a lot more. So these are super comfortable. It rebounds in about 5 seconds. You can keep your head, never sink right down to the mattress, which my last pillows did. If you guys are looking for some soft, nice pillows, I would definitely say check these ones out. They are super, super nice. I didn't experience any back or neck pain this morning. So if you're looking for a great set of pillows, I would definitely say check these ones out.